Tell me something, girl.
Amore,
Are
when I
you
first
happy
met
in
you,
this modern
sobrang
world?
totoy mo pa. And I
Or
remember,
do you
hindi
need
ikaw ang
more?
gusto ko nun. With a 4-year age gap,
Is there
who would have
something
thought
else you're
na aabot
searching
tayo
for?
dito? Sa lahat ng
I'm
dapat i-prepare sa
falling.
wedding na to, I think making the
In
wedding
all the
vows is
good
the hardest.
times I find
Di
myself
naging madali this past
longing
2 years,
for
but I'm so happy
change.
that we've grown together. And
And in the
nalampasan
bad
natin yun.
times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy.
Reine, my last love,
Aren't you tired
thank you.
trying to fill that
Thank you for taking care of me every
Or do
day.
you need
Mula paggising hanggang sa pagtulog. For
Ain't it
making my
hard
coffee,
keeping it so hard?
helping me na maglinis sa bahay. Kahit ikaw lang din naman ang nagkakalat. For appreciating my cooking
In all the
skills.
good times
Sa
I
pagpe-prepare
find
ng
myself
apples the way I like it. And for washing the dishes, cleaning our toilet,
And in
lahat,
the bad
baby.
times I
Simpleng
fear
bagay man,
myself.
pero walang hanggang pasasalamat.
I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow.
Dumating ka sa buhay ko nung time na sobrang hirap ang buong ako. Nung time na hindi na ako naniniwala na pwede pa pala, may tao pa pala talaga na para sa akin. I didn't deserve you that time. That's why I kept pushing you away. But you stayed. You chose me kahit ang hirap ko piliin. And yon ang habang buhay kong ipagpapasalamat kay Lord.
Off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. We crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow. In the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Amore, mahal, baby, tandang-tanda ko pa nung una tayo nagkakilala. Nakita mo lang ako mag-basketball, sinagot mo na agad ako. At nung naging tayo, tuwan-tuwa ako kasi umpisa pa lang, komportable na agad ako sa'yo. Kahit apakasungit at apakataray mo. Pero ewan kung bakit isa yun sa mga bagay na nagustuhan ko sa'yo. Masaya ako dahil ikaw ang pinili ko.
Learning how to live when there's no one around. It's like learning how to feel when the drugs run out.
At gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga taong sinasabing swerte ka sa akin, nagkakamali sila. Kasi mas swerte ako sa'yo. Dahil nung di pa kita nakikilala, hindi ko alam mga bagay na gusto ko. Pero ngayon, alam ko na. At yun ay dahil sa'yo, na laging nasa tabi ko.
You can hold on to, find someone who'll be there for you. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. Find somewhere you can come home to. Find someone that'll die for you. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. It's love, love, love. Cause it's all that really matters in the end.
Amore, ito ang regalo ko sa'yo. Sana'y magustuhan mo. See you later.
Wow!
Ito muna.
Ano kaya yan?
Talking to you now like we're old friends.
Uy,
It'll
One
never
Piece!
be too late to start again. Find something you can hold on.
Adesso stiamo iniziando un nuovo capitolo della nostra vita. Sana walang magbago. Sana bawas-bawasan na rin natin ang pag-aaway. Per ultima cosa, voglio dirti che sarò sempre al tuo fianco. Qualsiasi cosa succeda. E non smetterò di amarti. Ti amo, amore.
Cause it's all that really matters in the end. Find something you can hold on to.
Thank you for choosing me every day. I promise to always choose you also every day, in every way. Hindi man palaging masaya, but I vow to always stay wedded forever. Mahal na mahal kita. Ti amo, amore.
Love, 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 love. Cause it's all that really matters in the end. It's love, 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 love. Cause it's all that really matters in the end. It's love, 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 love. Cause it's all that
Nawang inyong pagsasama ay nakatuon sa katapatan. Katapatan katulad ng pagiging tapat ni Kristo sa simbahan. Dahil katapatan din ang susi sa masaya at matatag na pagsasama.